Hello YouTube, and this is Tyler from Gamer Squad Studios, and I'm going to talk about the 404 error that everyone hates. First, I'd like to establish what a 404 error actually is. 404 is a HTTP status code. Every time you visit a web page, your computer is requesting data from the server using HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Before a web page is even displayed in your browser, the web server has sent the HTTP header, which contains the status code. Now, surprisingly, your browser has sent the server its own headers, which contain a lot more information than you would actually want to know. For a normal web page, the status is 200 or an OK status. You don't see this because the server then proceeds to send you the contents of the page. It's only when you encounter an error of any kind that you see an actual status code, such as 404. Now let's dissect the numbers themselves. The first 4 indicates a client error. The server is saying that you've done something wrong, such as misspelled URL or request a page which is no longer there. Basically, it's saying that it's human error and not a computer error. The middle 0 refers to a general syntax error, which can be caused by pretty much any issue at all that you can ever think of. All it means is that there's an error and your computer has no idea why, because that's basically what 0 means, is it has no idea what's wrong. Now, finally, the origin of the 404 error, which is why you're here. HTTP status codes were established by the World Wide Web Consortium, which I know I'm saying wrong, or the W3C in 1992 as part of the HTTP 0.9 spec. They were defined by Tim Berners-Lee, the same person who single-handedly invented the web in the first web browser in 1990. Berners-Lee based the HTTP status codes on FTP status codes, which were already well established by 1990. The official FTP spec is dated 1985, although FTP has actually been in use much longer. In an office on the 4th floor in the room 404, the very first central database was created. Any request for a file was routed to that office, where 2 or 3, maybe 4 people would manually locate the requested file and transfer them over the network to the person who made that request. As the database grew, so did the number of requests, and also the number of requests that couldn't be fulfilled. The most common problem being wrong file name requests. Soon, these faulty requests were answered by a standard message, room 404, file not found. And that, my friends, is the origin of the infamous 404 page. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, do you know of any cool sites with an awesome 404 page? Like, for instance, Udemy site, which equates it to being stranded on a deserted island. It's really awesome. They even have a Wilson on it. Well, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.